Welcome to Zoiko Orbit. In the next minute, we'll help you activate your global travel eSIM on your Android phone, so you stay connected wherever you go. Before you begin, make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, supports eSIM, and is not locked to another network. Keep your Zoiko Orbit QR code ready. If it's on this phone, open it on another screen for scanning. For the best experience, install your eSIM before you travel. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Connections or Mobile Network. Tap SIM Manager, then select Add eSIM. Choose Scan QR Code and scan your Zoiko Orbit QR code. When prompted, tap Download or Install. Keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi while the eSIM downloads. Once installed, make sure Zoiko Orbit is selected for mobile data. Then turn Data Roaming on. This is required for international use. Activation may take a few moments. If scanning isn't available, select Enter Activation Code manually. Enter the SMDP Plus address and activation code sent to you after purchase. Then tap Download. If your signal doesn't appear within a minute, simply restart your device. Your Zoiko Orbit travel connection is now ready. Stay connected worldwide with Zoiko Orbit.